What's going on, guys? Will here, back again with another video, and you guessed by the title, we're going to be putting a Sunstrip on my car today. Now, I've had this Sunstrip for about 6 or 7 months now, and I just haven't been bothered to put it on, but haven't uploaded in a while. I've been slacking, all different things, which I explained in the last video as to why that is, but we need to get back on it for 2021, so I'm getting back on it. I'm going to fit the Sunstrip today. I'm wearing this big ass coat because it is freezing outside. I think it's like 0 degrees or something stupid. Let me have a look. It is currently 1 degree outside. It's just absolutely freezing. So I've got the gloves that I use to do like some other car shit. That's all indoors, so I'm gonna get those in a minute. I've got the big coat on. Before I do that, I'm just going to run through what you would need in order to do this modification. So it's a very hit or miss one. For me personally, I love it because I'll show you in a minute of the practical side of it, but I also just love the look of it on a car as well. But some people don't like it. But if you do enjoy the video, please remember to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. It just helps me out, shows the YouTube algorithm know that you're enjoying this content, and hopefully we can grow some more in 2021. So let's move into what you'll need to apply a Sunstrip to your car. So first of all, you've got the Sunstrip itself. Mine's fairly big. I won't need that much, so I'll probably end up having to like half it or maybe even a little bit more, but that is what this comes in for. So you just need a sharp knife. I've just got this brand new kitchen knife which is razor sharp. Most people use like a Stanley blade or just a normal sharp blade, so yeah, anything like that will do. Next thing you're going to need is a squeegee. Now I did used to have the blue ones with the like the foam over it, the proper ones, which were perfect for this. However, I don't know where any of them are. The only one I know where it is currently with my friend Liam, who we can't go and see because of the lockdown restrictions. So yeah, another reason why to do some car mods is because of the lockdown. So yeah, we've got a squeegee to squeeze what the next thing is out of the... And the next thing you're just going to need a bottle of spray with soapy water inside of it, just to clean that surface area, get all the muck and stuff off it. You're also going to need a microfiber cloth, which I've got in the boot. Forgot about that. So yeah, first you need to clean the area. After that, you can make it all wet and soapy for the Sunstrip to be applied. And then you measure up both sides, and then you can start like sort of applying it. Then you squeegee it down and then trim it, and then squeegee it once more and then let it set. And that should be as simple as that. Knowing me, we're definitely going to come into some issues, but it is what it is. Let's get into the video. So obviously step one, I'm going to spray this. Get it nice and wet. Then we can start cleaning.
So say highs and lows, highs and lows.
So that's the area all washed and clean, all sorted. I forgot to show you why I actually want to do this, so I'll do this now. As you can see, all clean on there now. But yeah, this is why. So I'm driving along here. This is my sun visor, comes down to here, beautiful, blocks out the sun. Same with that side. But there always seems to be, especially on the road which I drive, just sun creeping in gaps here, which I would love to get rid of if I could. Cool, now that that's done, time to unwrap the Sunstrip itself. It's got a little tag on here. Luckily on my car, I've actually got 2 black like lines where the Sunstrip can go to, which is handy. Bit of it's dirty from how long it's been sitting there, but let's unravel this and basically try and put it on, cut it to length, then we'll peel the backing off and we'll try to stick it down. Let's do it. So as you can see there, I've just cut the excess off. So we've got a little bit better to play with. Let's get to it. there we have it. It's not as big as what I was hoping. I think I might get a bigger one, you know. But that is how you do it anyway. There's a couple of bits I still need to get out with the air bubbles, but we can get that out of the heat gun later on. But I might just take it off and buy a new bigger one because it's not exactly massive, is it? So yeah, I'll come back in a couple of hours, heat it. If I don't like it, then I'll take it off. So guys, just a couple issues now that we're finished that I have noticed. So the Sunstrip covers a little bit of the window, but it doesn't cover as much as what I would have liked. So the practicality bit that I mentioned earlier is just completely out the window. The reason why I had to use the thin bit is because the Sunstrip that I got was, when I got to the end, all the stickiness was just gone. I've tried this bit of vinyl wrap, which again is a couple months old, and so yeah, it was sticky until I made it soapy. I put it on now. I'm gonna leave it set for a couple of hours, see if it sticks properly. We still need to heat it up a little bit later on just to get some of the air bubbles out. But as I mentioned, because it's not very practical, it looks okay, don't get me wrong. I might end up getting another one, you know, just on the basis that I want a bigger one. So I might just pull it off altogether and then just buy a new one, but we'll see. At least we've learned how to do it. At least I've shown you guys how to do it. Hopefully you guys can apply that to your own cars as well. So I've also had some requests requesting that we do more than just modifications on the channel. So challenges, you know, drives, going to see views, that sort of thing. Let me know if that's something you'll be interested in down below, and there's definitely something that we can get involved in and start doing once these lockdown restrictions are eased, because I'm more than up for that. I'm getting bored of being in my own house, so I'd be more than up for doing that. So let me know down below if you would like that. If you did enjoy the video, please remember to hit that like button as well, as I've just shown you how to do a Sunstrip. If you think it was a good tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe for more. We're going to be doing a lot more to this car. Like I just said a minute ago, we're going to be doing a couple different things to the channel in 2021. So yeah, hit that subscribe button to stay around and follow for more. Cool. Apart from that, guys, I think that's pretty much it. I've got to go shoot off my dinner now anyway. But yeah, I'll come back later on and check on it. I won't record that bit just because I may end up just ripping it off anyway. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Let's try and get back to those weekly uploads. Peace.